How can I automatically send an interview subject the questions in advance? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get new daily tutorials. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new invitee created in Calendly. Then we'll be using the details of that appointment in order to send an email with an attachment in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be new invitee to email with attachment. And we're going to select our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. Our triggering app is going to be Calendly. Since I've used Calendly recently, it's popped up down here in the recent apps section. So I can just click there, or I could type Calendly into the box up here. The event that we want this trigger to monitor is invitee created. We want to make sure we're connected to our Calendly account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. So we found a new invitee that's been created, and we have that person's email address and their name, and we have the start time and end time of their interview, and we have their phone number because this is a phone interview. So we're going to use all of these details in order to send them an email. And this email is also going to include an attachment of some interview questions so they can be prepared for the interview. So we're going to click continue. For our action, we're going to use Gmail, which again, I've used recently, so it's down here in the recent apps. I could also just type in Gmail and it'll find the app that we want to use. For this event, we're going to come down to send email with attachment. And we're going to make sure we're connected to Gmail. So the to email address is going to come from our trigger. So we're going to click on this plus sign and then come to our drop-down menu and find the email. If you want to send a copy of this email to yourself or to someone else, you could add emails there as well. The subject is going to be phone interview. So every time you create a new invitee in Calendly, they're going to get the same email with the subject of phone interview. Now for the body, we can choose to use the AI wizard and compose an email, or we can just write a simple one, which I'll show you how to do here. So I'm going to say, hello, and then we're going to add in the name of the person being interviewed. We are excited for your, and we can put in the name of the event. At, and then I'm going to put the location, which in this instance is a phone number. On, and then I'm going to put the start time. We are attaching interview questions so you can be prepared. Sincerely, Elliot Workload, president of Pasties Products. So now we're going to add the attachment. And how we're going to do that is in Google Docs. I created this file and I changed it so anyone with a link can have access to it. And I'm going to copy that link and then paste that into the box. So we can click continue and we can test this action. And we have a success. So I'll click continue here. I'm noticing this first box has a red dot, so I'm going to click there. Sometimes that's all you have to do is click on the box again and the dot on your node will turn green. So then I can check my email and go to my sent email, and you can see That phone interview email was just sent, and it includes the name of the person, the type of event, the location, and the start time, and our attachment. You might notice that this email was not sent successfully because I made up the email address for this video, but not because there is an issue with our workflow. So everything looks good. So we can come back over to the workload editor. Again, reconfirm. We have green dots in our nodes. And then we can activate our workflow by clicking on the button up here. And then whenever we have a new invitee created in Calendly, it'll automatically be sent an email with an attachment. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that automatically sends an email with an attachment whenever you have a new invitee created in Calendly. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.